Discover a masterpiece of coastal elegance in this one-of-a-kind, two-story oceanfront residence. Wake up to breathtaking sunrises and uninterrupted panoramic ocean views, framed by expansive floor-to-ceiling impact windows that bathe the space in natural light. The soaring ceilings and open, airy layout create an atmosphere of grandeur and tranquility, blending modern sophistication with the calming rhythm of the waves. Step onto your private Lanai terrace, just steps from the sand, where you can sip your morning coffee, unwind to the sound of the ocean, or entertain under the stars. Indulge in resort-style amenities, designed for ultimate comfort and relaxation. Nestled in the highly sought-after Lauderdale by the Sea, you're only minutes from the energy of downtown Fort Lauderdale, the iconic Los Olas Boulevard, and the vibrant scene of booming beach. This is more than a home. It's a lifestyle of luxury, tranquility, and endless ocean views. Your dream oceanfront escape awaits.